It began as a daring idea to build a drivable copy of a Lamborghini Aventador using a large 3D printer. The team calls it the Interceptor. The project blends modern design with hands-on garage work, proving how 3D printing can create complex car body parts. Every outer panel, from the front bumper to the rear and side scoops, was printed in sections. Each piece was tested, adjusted, and reprinted, with photos documenting how the fit and finish improved over time. Beneath the printed body lies a custom steel frame. The suspension, frame, and drivetrain are all steel, giving the car the strength needed for real driving. This isn't a movie prop or a static showroom model, it's designed to be driven. Inside, the cabin is fully usable. The dashboard itself is 3D printed, likely adapted from open-source designs. Everything functions, ensuring the car responds to the driver rather than just looking. In a world where most bikes look the same, this custom motorcycle stands out. Pulled from a scrap pile and rebuilt from the ground up, it now runs flawlessly, blending rugged looks with clever engineering. Its most unique feature is the reworked exhaust. Not only does it power the bike forward, but it also blows loose dirt off the road as you ride, clearing the path ahead. During races, it creates a dramatic dust trail behind the bike, adding both flair and function. The builder added fun extras, too. Built-in speakers let you play music on the go, while laser lights outline the bike with glowing shapes. At night, the neon-like accents and sharp angles give it an unforgettable, futuristic style, almost insect-like, as if it rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Every detail feels intentional. This is more than a cosmetic makeover. It's a complete, well-thought-out build. Despite being crafted by a single person without the backing of a big workshop, this off-road buggy took 4 years to complete and now runs on a 600 cubic centimeters engine. It features a custom 4x4 setup, allowing all 4 wheels to drive when needed, likely with locking axles for tough terrain. The frame is built from steel tubing, strong enough for off-road abuse while keeping the weight balanced. Its suspension looks completely custom. Some sections work independently, while others rely on a solid axle with homemade arms, tailored to handle rough ground. Steering is a simple manual rack with direct linkages, and braking is likely handled by hydraulic discs on all 4 wheels, powered by a master cylinder sourced from another vehicle. Large knobby tires give it grip for climbing, sliding. The Backyard 4.2G is a homemade roller coaster built for pure thrill. Using a 3.5-inch air-powered launcher, it blasts a single-seat cart from 0 to high speed in seconds, delivering over 1,200 pounds of force. The wooden track, topped with plastic tubing, is supported by simple beams. The cart is stripped to basics, just a seat belt, and rails. No frills or comfort. There are no climbs or drops. Instead, a sudden burst of air power provides all the excitement. The ride is short, raw, and unforgettable, leaving riders with a sharp jolt and an intense memory of speed. The Furphy wheel is a unique and practical cooking device that uses the natural power of flowing water to do the hard work of turning food over an open fire. At its heart is a small water wheel, placed in a creek or a diverted stream. The gentle current pushes the wheel, which is connected to a horizontal spit above the flames. As the wheel turns, so does the spit, slowly and steadily rotating the food without the need for electricity, batteries, or even hand cranking. This steady rotation ensures that food cooks evenly, developing rich flavors and tenderness through slow roasting. Because the system runs quietly and reliably on its own, the cook is free to focus on preparing other ingredients, tending the fire, or simply enjoying the peaceful setting. The design draws inspiration from traditional water-powered tools that farmers and craftspeople relied on for centuries. By applying the same engineering principles to cooking, the Furphy wheel blends old-fashioned ingenuity with modern homestead living. At Fork and Farm Homestead in northern Tasmania, where fresh produce is grown and meals are prepared over open flames, the Furphy wheel is not just a novelty. It's a functional, sustainable, and charming part of everyday life.